Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the slim hard case for Nintendo Switch. Tomtoc original portable hard shell Nintendo Switch travel carrying case for the console itself. Game cartridge and accessory pouch in black. There it is. It is an EU patent protection, ultra slim overall appearance with unique outer shell adapter to every contour. This sounds awesome, but we're going to see the product now. Protection hard shell exterior protects your Switch from everyday wear. Soft inner lining prevents scratches. This is a nice feature. The capacity of it, there is space for 8 game card slots. A small accessory bag for charger, adapter, etc. The zipper should be a better quality than the others. It is premium YKK. Zipper offers a smooth and reliable zip action. Now let's have a look. And it has a hard case there. This is nice. And there is a unique outer shell. The shape is nice to resistance the dropping and knocks and bumps. And there it is, my Switch. We are going to see it matches proper. And there the shape, extra shape outer shell is there. Oh, nice. This case is a slim version. Gamers take gaming seriously. That's why the brand have designed this lightweight, yet stylish and durable case for the Nintendo Switch console. They took intellectual property seriously. The zipper is really nice. Two of the zippers are installed, so you can choose by your own where your zipper has to be rest at the closed and open position. And it is an easy-going zipper, really nice. The ultra slim design is awesome. Only 1.5 inches thick. Much slimmer and lighter for easy carrying. This is true. It is really light and it is so thin. Outer shell adapts to every counter and enhances the overall appearance. And there it is, the inside of the case. As you can see, there is space for 2, 4, 6, 8 slots. There are 8 slots for your game cards. And as you can see, it's easy to slide them into it. Now the game is protected too. And all these features are going into the all-around protection. The sturdy outer shell guards against scratches and other damages. The middle shell layer protects your device from knocks, bumps and dropping. And this is so smooth surface in the inner side, of course. The inner soft flannelette provides extra protection and avoids scratches to your game screen. And there is a bag. This bag you can use for additional parts if you are going outside. Maybe for your nunchucks, maybe for AC adapters, maybe for more than 8 games cards. You can use it easily and you can close it too. This is a nice extra feature. Let's check it with the console itself. Place the console like this, easy. And as you can see, it matches super. There's no space, there's no air between the case and the console, and that is okay. This is right. This is important because movement in the case should be not so good because of damage. And on top there is an inner soft terrain, that will makes a good shape and a good protection for your console itself. Oh, easy going, easy to insert, easy to use, and so protectable. Slim design allows for easy carrying. This is awesome. Original, portable, shockproof, spill resistant, slim case for Nintendo Switch. Nice product, easy to wear and easy to use. So I only can say thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and see you next time. Soon.